you should get this kind of icon. As you see, click on that shopping list voice input. Hello dear friends, has there been any time where y'all have gone shopping to the supermarket and y'all have found yourself lost as to what we were supposed to buy? There is this one thing that I wanted to buy that is important, but it is not clicking. No matter how many times you bang your head, it still doesn't click, and then you are back home without getting that thing, and then after that, you all know what's the story. You got to run back to get that thing once you remember it. In today's hack, I am going to show you two ways of getting this grocery list or item list up to date from time to time. This hack is brought to you by Angel Lily, but the technique is a little different. So I would like to thank her for sharing this idea with us and all of my followers. It is definitely a useful hack. There's a traditional method and an app method, which I'm sure most of y'all will find helpful. I've been using the app method, and sure enough, it has helped me in n number of ways. Let it be for shopping, let it be for remembering certain kind of things and all. It becomes easier when I put it on this list. So stay along and I'll share with you these two methods, and then you let me know which one you like the best. In the first way, it's quite simple. Just attach a paper with the magnet to the fridge in this way, and each and every time you need to make a note, you remember that you need to buy something. Say you need to buy tomatoes, or you need to buy sweets, there are guests arriving, or say something is over at home, you need to get that. For this method, you can use any kind of magnet. I had this available, so I've used this. As you can see, I have this pen which has a metal holder. I can directly attach it to the magnet in this way. So whenever I remember something, I can just remove the pen, note down whatever I have remembered, and then attach it back to the magnet in this way. This is a simple way of putting up things. You can carry that list. For the next method, I'll need glue gun and a plastic cup as well as magnet. Just spread a generous amount of glue using glue gun in this way and attach the plastic cup on top of the magnet. There you go. After doing this, you let it dry for some time. Excess of glue, you can remove it later. Once it has dried, it's alright. And then just attach this cup over your freezer area or your fridge area in this way. Thereafter, what you can do is, say suppose it's on your freezer, your kids love having ice cream, you can store all the plastic spoons here, so whenever they want to have ice cream, they can just remove the plastic spoon. Or even if you want to keep a paper or a notepad over here, you can just remove the notepad and each and every time make a rough note so you can carry it along. For the next method, you'll have to go to the Google Play Store and type shopping list. This is the app method. Scroll below and you should get this kind of icon. As you see, click on that shopping list voice input. Open this. You all will have to install it. Here I have already installed, and it will open to a shopping list. You have to create a new list. That's when you'll get a list that you require for shopping, for groceries or unlimited things. Then you need to enter the items that you need to buy. So you can enter different things: bread, butter. This app has another benefit. Say you don't know to type, you want to speak, or you're busy, you can just click on the mic icon and speak, and it will pull up whatever your voice says. While shopping, you have done shopping, you want to cross the bread, butter out, you can cross it. If you want to undo that, click it again and it's uncrossed. So there are many other things you can use. You all can go through this app. It's very useful. Wasn't that a good useful hack? The traditional style as well as the modern technique, I felt both had their own benefits, especially for those of them who do not use mobiles, the older people who do not like using mobiles or do not know how to use mobile. I felt the traditional way would be helpful to them. At the same time, where you attach the cup to the fridge by the help of the magnet is a good way where you can store your pen and your tiny paper pads around so that you can have them at instant whenever you want to write something or so. Hope you all have found this hack useful. Do let me know in the comment section what do you all think, and if you all have any other new suggestions, new hacks, please do not forget to mention about them as well, because certainly I will share them up on my channel mentioning your name, against the hack. For those who are new visitors to my channel, it's a sincere request to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time, friends, with another new hack. That's all for now. Bye from How Hacks.